using your box as a desktop stand. Your box that Cmpsr comes in can also be used as a desktop stand for your device. To set up this desktop stand, first remove your Cmpsr from its box. Next, open up the box by loosening the tabs on each side. Once your box is laid flat, tear off the tabs as displayed in the video. Now, one at a time, fold each side of the box in by removing the plastic film on the tape and folding along the fold lines. This will create two hollow triangular sides. From here, now tear away both excess ends of your box. These tear lines are clearly marked as displayed in the video. We're nearly there. The last step is to ensure that your desk stand is stable and doesn't slide around. Using the rubber squares provided, peel away the yellow plastic and stick these tabs to the bottom of your desk stand. Your desk stand is now ready, and you can start using your Cmpsr.